guys, welcome back to the episode 3 of analyzing Euro USD. Let's start with the day, and I haven't seen anything right now, so I need to look at what is going on. So, first of all, let's mark our highs and lows of the previous one, our candle, right over here. Okay, done. So there is no any movement above or high. So let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. Okay, today let's start with the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, as far we saw that the weekly time frame, the candle of the week, it was the high of the previous week candle, and then it came down. Okay, clear? On the daily time frame, we saw. So as far we can see that on the daily time frame, we could not break the previous highs of the candle, and we are just heading it down. On 4 hour time frame we saw. Okay, so it's pretty much consolidation zone. As far we can see, this zone is a consolidation zone. There's no particular trend right now on 4 hour time frame. But anyways, there was a big fair value gap that formed yesterday, and this candle of 1830 just tapped in, and we can see the biggest rejection wick, and then we saw the price coming down to this range. uh Great. Okay, so let's see on the 1 hour time frame. We are analyzing it all for the shorter period of time. So you remember that we are not planning any swing trades or any long term trades, because we are focusing on day trading or most possibly scalping, right? Okay, so so here is a major support area, I could say. A major, yeah, this could be a support area that the market always comes here. And okay, so we are right now in the major area that could result in consolidation of the price today, but we're gonna see that. On 15 minutes time frame, let's see. So what's happening on 15 minutes time frame? Okay, so 15 minutes time frame, we saw that there was a heavy rejection over here. The price came down, then it broke the previous lower high and gave us, and it happened to be a displacement over here. Let's see, right over here. Okay, oh, perfect. So this was the range that just this was the range, and the price came down, retraced exactly from 61%, and it just made a reversal from here. So can expect a little bullish. Let's say on 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame, it's almost filled the bearish fair value gap right over here. This it filled. That means we are possibly not bearish anymore. We could be bullish, because it rejected right from 61% from the 15 minutes time frame. But if we see that the lows of this candle is being broken, then potentially we can see some kind of bearishness. Until then, let's see. So we are just going to wait to break these highs or these lows first of all, and then we're gonna plan accordingly. Okay, so we saw that the market, that this candle right over here, it took the highs of the previous candle, and it's supposed to be closing within this range. So we can expect a bearish reversal right now. Let's see. Let's see. This is a good sign, because whenever there's a this kind of sweep, the probability gets more higher. Perfect. See how good there was a rejection from this particular point that we marked. Okay. Let's see for the structure, and then we're gonna enter the trade. So let's see if we get any opportunity to enter. Basically, my whole point to make these videos is just be consistent with myself, the accountability that I hold for myself and give value or share value to you guys too. Of the YouTubers, traders, or whatever, they don't show the process. Showing the process is most important thing. I think it's a beneficial thing for yourself to show your journey, to show your process, to show everything that you are facing, because that will be recorded for yourself, not for anybody else. And you will be responsible for that. If I test it, like if I make hundred of videos, and so I can look back and see what mistakes I did. I can see what's working for me, what's not working for me. So it's very, very important to journal your things, to keep a track of it, and then see the magic. You can't simply do things and not take notes of it, or not record it, or not write it anywhere, because how you will know that it's right or wrong, how you'll get the feedback, how you will grow if you don't have the record, you know so having a record anywhere, it could be your personal gallery, or you can write it on the notebook, you can make an Excel sheet, whatever you're comfortable with. But keep in mind to have a record of whatever you are doing it, so you can analyze it and be better at it. Okay, so basically I had to cut the videos because so it's not longer for you guys, and I'm recording. Obviously I have to record and then I have to upload it, and it takes a lot of time, like 1 or 2 hours. So I'm only going to come live when I have enough of you guys follow me or subscribe me, because then what's the point whom I will be live for. So as soon as we have good number of subscribers, we gonna come live, and then we gonna trade together. But for now it's gonna be like that. We broke the highs, and then we are having so much of bullish momentum right now, and we also formed a bullish FVG, which is like half filled right now. Okay, so as you remembered what I told you yesterday, day before yesterday, here was a trend line liquidity right over here. It's coming down, coming down, coming down, and eventually it got liquidated, right? So this was the relative equal highs that had to be taken out, and most possibly we can see somewhere here market, and then we can see the a bit of retracement or reversal. Also, I have planned to make a challenge kind of to clear the funded account. Be dropping that soon, that series, after some time. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see that we finally formed the bearish structure after taking the highs. Okay, so if it comes, let's see, if it comes over here, we're gonna make an entry over here. 20, 20. Like if it comes over, if it made the bearish FVG right over here, so we can end over here. But for now, this is what I can see right now, and most probably we are on the bearish trend. It's been 12:30, and we do like within 1 hour we take the setup, and after whatever, after 12:30, that is the setup that I am gonna put on either on my Instagram story, or so if this small fair value gap is formed, we're gonna shift our entry like that. So it didn't tap the entry right now. Maybe in another fair value gap we can tap the entry. Let's see if it comes up or not, and we're gonna run this. And if it forms a new fair value gap or something like that, we're gonna enter on the basis of that. And let it run till maximum 1:30 IST. Maybe that's all for today, and I'm gonna give you the update maybe on Instagram, or see you tomorrow for the analysis. And let me know in the comments if you wanna see anything else, or you wanna see me coming live soon, or start the challenge of funded account soon. So we will start with that, and let's grow together.